Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. Today I am going to talk about the upcoming Glossy Box X Rituals limited edition. I am so excited to sit down and film this video. You guys know how much I love making these kind of videos, and if you do enjoy them, definitely give this video a like and subscribe to the channel if you are not yet done so already. Now let's get into the details, and after that I'm going to go ahead and unbox my April box from Glossbox, which is this one here, because I haven't unboxed that. So stay for this one if you want to see what's inside. But anyway, the information about the upcoming Glossbox X Rituals, and this is going to be the ritual of Namaste. So let's get into the details. Now the box is going to contain 6 products worth of 129 euro, which is quite nice. And also we do have 2 sneak peeks already so far, and there will be another sneak peek tomorrow. All right, so 6 products over 129 euro, and you can become a Glossy if you are not yet part of the the whole monthly subscription thingy. You can join Glossbox and of course take the advantage of this offer. So if you are already a Glossy, you will be able to buy this box here for 35 euro only instead of 45, and if you are not a subscriber, then this box will cost you 45 euro. And also if you are based over here in Germany, of course it is going to be free shipping, and the sale goes live on the 20th of May, which is this coming Thursday from 10 a.m. and you can definitely log into your Glossy lounge, and from there you'll be able to purchase the box. So that is the information, you guys. So it is very exciting. I always love these kind of mystery boxes and limited editions. They are always like, you get excited to see what's in the box, and knowing it's Rituals, you guys, I love their product. So definitely I will get a box for myself and I will come here and box it for you guys. So let's get into the sneak peeks. Oh, and by the way, I'm going to have my referral link down below. If you want to join Glossbox, you can use that one and save some money off your first box, and also take advantage of this offer here for 35 euro for this box instead of 45. So yeah, that is that. Now sneak peek number 1, we have over here what is called Restoring Face Oil, and this, I heard a lot of good things about this one. I've never tried it myself, but I watched some videos and some people who tried it, they say it's quite amazing, it's great. So I'm quite happy that we have this one in this box as well. So what are the benefits? It says here reduce fine lines and wrinkles and imperfections, and make your skin look firmer and smoother. And also it's also supplies the skin with valuable moisture and makes it silky smooth and supply. So that is what the Restoring Face Oil is supposed to do to your skin. I love the sound of that, reduce wrinkles and fine lines and makes your skin look more firmer and smoother. That sounds really amazing. So I'm excited for this first sneak peek here. And we also have the second sneak peek, which happens to be the Skin Brightening Face Exfoliator, and this one's supposed to gently remove dead skin and also makeup as well, and as a result your complexion can shine clean and fresh. And this one can be used once or twice a week. So that is the information. All right, now let's get into unboxing my Glossbox April box, because I forgot to unbox it for you guys. So anyway, this is how it looks like. It is of course just a normal pinky box. I'm going to remove the lid, and this is how the inside looks like. So the theme for April, which was last month, it is Wake Up in Spring edition. You can see it right here. So that is a magazine. We always get a magazine in every box that we receive monthly. So this is that. And by the way, I am of course subscribed to Glossbox. I do receive my box every single month, and I have been with them for like, I don't know for how long, but definitely for more than 2 years, I believe, right about now. But anyway, this is how the inside looks like. Everything is sealed there, so I'll go ahead and open it. And I'm waiting for my May box, by the way. It's supposed to be arriving, I believe, tomorrow actually, or today as you are watching this video. So the first product here, I see it is this one from Moana, and it is body scrub. body scrub. Oh, okay, this looks lovely, you guys. So this is the first product that I seen here, and something smells really wonderful. I don't know what it is. Could be this one. Oh, it's this one, you guys. That smells amazing. I love the smell. Yeah, smells absolutely beautiful. So this is how the inside looks like. Wow, I almost dropped that. Oops. But yeah, it is a body scrub, which I would definitely test it out, and if I do love it, I may go back and buy a bigger one. But that is the first product, which is amazing. And I'm just gonna get the information for this one here. So we are getting how many grams of product? So we are getting 76 grams of product in here, and this one retails for €12.90. So yeah, first product. All right, moving on, here we have something for the hair. Now this one is from Now Bay, and it is their natural and organic hair mask. Okay, protective hair mask. Lovely. The packaging looks like this, as you can see. So yeah, again, hair mask, skincare. I will try the product and then I'll come back and let you know how they performed. But yeah, this is a hair mask product. It is of course sealed, as you can see there, but again, I'll come here one day and update you guys on how I find them. But yeah, it sounds amazing. Hair mask. I mean, I do use hair mask at the moment. I have the one that I'm actually really loving, and I cannot wait to give this one a try. All right, moving on. What else we have in the box? Over here we have a concealer, and this one is from Cab, and it is, what does it say here? Long wear full coverage oil control. Oh, all right. And I have mine in the shade 02. All right, 02. Oh, it's quite light actually. So they had like two different shades, 01 and 02, and this one is like the darkest one. Okay, that is 02. Not sure about the color. The color may not really match me, so I might pass this one to somebody. But anyway, that is how that concealer looks like. All right, I'll quickly show you how the first shade looked like. I can find it in this. So over here you can see we have two different shades. So this is the one that I have right there, number 2, and this is of course number 1, I believe. Yeah, so I have number 2. So that is the concealer. Again, number 2 is still light for me, but anyway, I can always give it away to somebody. All right, moving on, we have a highlighter from Elia Beauty. All right, and this one looks like this, you guys. Look at that. Again, I think I have something similar to this, so again, this I might pass it away. I don't even want to open it, but this is how the color looks like. So yeah, a highlighter there. I have a feeling this one does have like, you know, like a sheen to it, but yeah, that is that. And then we have the last product here, which is from Alvede, and of course this is natural cosmetic. We are getting 7-day ampoule, which are these ones here. Of course, I have quite a lot of those from different brands, but not from this one here. So I'll just go ahead. Ampoule, that's how they're called, right? Ampoule, I think so. So we have day 1 to 7, like that. So yeah, I'm going to use one for each day and just see if I won't notice any different. But yeah, that is that. And you guys, that was everything in this box for April. It is now empty. So yeah, what do you think of all the product for April? Do you guys think that we got some good ones in here? I mean, I think that we did get some good one. I love the smell of this body scrub, and of course the hair mask. I cannot wait to use it. And this one here, of course, the skincare, and then the highlighter. The highlighter and the concealer, I would definitely pass them, give them to somebody else, but the other 3 products, I'm going to use them myself. So yeah, overall I think the product is not too bad. I am quite happy with what I received, except for, of course, the concealer. It's not really the right shade for me. It's way too light. I just wish that they had, like, you know, some darker shades, but that was, or they had only 2 shades, 1 and 2, and 2 is obviously way too light for me. But yeah, I'll pass it to somebody else. All right, you guys, so that was that for April unboxing. I hope you enjoyed it, and once again, yeah, you also have the information for the gloss box X Rituals, and if you were interested in buying the box, now you know when it is launching, what time, and how much it's going to be retailing for. So yeah, and like I said already, I'm going to come back here and unbox mine and show you guys what I received in my box. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you have, definitely smash the like button. Don't forget to subscribe and join the family if you are new here. And yeah, I would love to have you here. So, and leave a message down below, even saying hi. That will mean a lot. All right, everyone, go have a good one. Take care, and I shall catch you all wonderful people on my next video. Bye for now.